Hey guys, today we're at Lifeguard Arena. Alright. Man, I should have waited. I was gonna... There goes. Well, this is your picture, Schindler 55 MRL. Anyways, this is a nice elevator. This is at Lifeguard Arena, if you didn't know. We'll go up to 2. Oh, that scared me a little bit. Whoa, that was a little bit freaky right there. Oh my god. Here, let me set this door. Let's watch button go out this time. Let's watch button go out again. And yeah. These are 5,500. Can you cab view? One last cab view. This is just a standard elevator. But all I can say is those are your call button. There goes the elevator. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.